Sofrito usually has tomato, peppers, and normally garlic, onion. Low heat. I'm about to start to cook sofrito. Sofrito, low heat, lowest you can get. And again, I'm making room for in the center for our sofrito part. So garlic, these 2 cloves of garlic, I will put it, and garlic will be here alone, literally just 20 seconds. And I move it all the time because it's disgusting when garlic is burned, it's bitter. And in 20 seconds already now, I will, like you see, with tablespoon, I will grab it and I will put it above your other ingredients, not to have it burned. Yeah, so to have it protected. Yeah, and then this our tomato flesh goes in the middle. I don't remember if I told you I cut tomato crosswise and I scooped out seeds because not to see those seeds in paella. And low heat tomato already here, and now we are going to go with paprika. So sweet paprika, smoked paprika. You can combine smoked to sweet paprika. Here in Spain, so this paprika smoked sweet at the same time. Spanish paprika is the best. And one teaspoon, 1.5. You said like 1. It's at the bottom. When you add some paprika, try to put it above your tomato because again, paprika doesn't like high heat, and you don't want to burn it. Yes, so now you're going to on this low heat, even I'll lower it down. I put it off. Yes, so no heat because it's like, I feel it's like, I want less. Yes, so you like watch it all the time. So you mash your tomato together with paprika, and so you can say, okay, we can blend it before. No, you do it right now here, because while you mash your paprika and tomato, it's cooking process. It's not just like you blend it. It's not only you're mixing it together, you're getting this even texture, but you at the same time some time to cook it a little bit on low heat. Yeah, so easily to mash it like totally until you don't have any pieces. Yeah, so if you don't like some piece, you can even take it out. Idea rice later is going to absorb all these our flavor bases that we made just right now, all our sofrito. And if you stay with tomato pieces, for rice it will be like this one. I don't like. For rice it will be difficult to absorb it. You can take bigger spatula. I like to do it with a spoon or with fork, and it takes like maybe several minutes. Yeah, and no rush. You can do it even longer.